This is ridiculous. It's snow and fog mixed together, and it made the visibility down to 0. And oh, watch out, watch out. Oh, God. Shit. Damn. My car is gone. I need to get all my shit out of my car. But it's too dangerous. And the shit's on fire. This shit. Oh, look at that. I need to get the fuck off the road. Damn. This is crazy. My car. No. Look at that fire. Oh my God. Damn, this is crazy, man. What am I going to do about the charger? My charger. Oh my gosh. I don't know what that truck is on. Oh my God, those fires is crazy over there. I'm not going over there. I'm gonna check out the action over here. Woo! She don't remember the car she was driving. Man, I think it's good. I'm gonna try to see if I can start saving people if they're hurt. So, oh my God, that fire. Oh man, I'm gonna go see if I can help someone. I gotta let you guys go. I'm sorry. It's